It does. That's fantastic.
Can't hold it still enough to... Come on.
Hit it.
Did I?
Yeah.
Ah, boy. Fuck yeah. Let's go.
I mean, this is a pretty fun one right here. So this is a 50 caliber rubber action. So let me put. You want me to rack it for you? When you're ready, just pull the hammer back. Hey, do it however you want. You need a hand? What's that? Yeah, you got to do that. And put your hand up on the hook. Go more forward right here. Move this one there. Alright, I'm gonna pull the hammer back.
Take it from this one, the auditorium.
How'd that feel?
Arizona's gone.
It was quiet, isn't it? You want to do another one? Yeah, you got it. There you go.
Oh, okay, which one am I shooting?
Whatever you want. It should be zeroed in at either one of those plates. Impact. Impact. Damn, you shoot better than I do.
What's that?
6.5 Creedmoor, first time ever shooting with a suppressor.
Wow. That wasn't any, that didn't seem any different than just a regular old 223.
Not even that.
There's two more in there. That's it.
That was it.
That's it.
What do you think?
Nice. I gotta have maybe one of those. I hate scopes. Trying to find your target.
We're just about the sound right now.
Oh. Holy cow.
Big difference, huh?
Yeah, sirree.
Oh, you got
Oh, it's
more.
quick. There's more.
So you've shot the this caliber multiple times, bare muzzle. Now going suppressed without hearing protection. We'll see how it goes and how he feels about it. Oh, you got
Oh, it's
more.
quick. There's more.
There you go.
Yeah, I got to have one of them.
How's that feel without your hearing protection in?
It was great.
Yeah.
You don't need hearing
not
protection
with those.
that.
Yeah.
Not anywhere close. It is not much different than a 22 unsuppressed.